number 3 and jersey number 58 napunta sa inside bola jersey. Buhaya ba?
Uy, idol ko.
Jersey number 0. Pass jersey number 0 again. Pass jersey number 16 to Mira Nugget. Everybody jersey number 26. Jersey number 26, yung bola para jersey number. Nakakuha ng foul was foul with jersey number 22. First personal foul and first team foul. Jersey number 11, pass jersey number 0. Pass jersey number 16, Rituas. Pinili yung bola, jersey number 3 na good. Nakakuha na jersey number 11, 12, second shot lang. Jersey number 0, Rituas Jr. na good. Advance. Ayan, dinadama yung audience. Jersey number 29. Pass jersey number 22. Jersey number 22, pass jersey number 58. Tumira, Nugget. Out of bounds. Di nabasa. Jersey number 16. Pass jersey number 0. Rituas Jr. Ginagawa ng bola. Jersey number 0, pass jersey number out of bounds. Same ball. Jersey number 318. Second shot lang. Pass jersey number. Nakakuha na bola sa kanya ng bola. Out of bounds pa rin. AMC ball. Jersey number 22. SC Narciso. Pass jersey number 08. Balik sa kanya bola. Jersey number 22, dribbling the ball. Pass jersey number 8. Aquino Nugget. Jersey number. Nakakuha na foul with jersey number 3. First personal foul and first team foul. First try for jersey number 13. Perfect.
Halo.
Second try, Nugget. That is jersey number 26. Pass jersey number 0. Rituas Jr. Nagawa ng bola. Kanina pa sa bola. Pass jersey number. Tumira. Second jersey number 26. Jersey number 22 again. Nasty Narciso dribbling the ball. Pass jersey number 29. Eloy, no good. Now on jersey number 16. Now pass jersey number. Ayun na, out of bounds. Ingat, madulas ang court. Jersey number 11, pass jersey number. Good for the even jersey number 0, Rituas Jr. Jersey number 8, pass jersey number 22. Jersey number 22, dribbling the ball. Pass jersey number 8, Aquino. 15, second shot up. Jersey number 15, Bentay Estrada. Jersey number 58, pass jersey number 13. 8 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 15, pass jersey number 7, Aquino. 5 seconds. Aquino may steal with jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, out of bounds. Same ball. Jersey number 11, pass jersey number 0. Jersey number 0, Rituas Jr. Pass jersey number 11. Marta Butas nakuha ng foul. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 22. Jersey number 22, second personal foul. A second team foul.